position was not good. I broke my toe. I broke it good. I broke it bad. I was walking through the kitchen and I kicked my son's high chair and it snapped sideways. If you were on Instagram, you saw. Owie. Owie. Warning, feet pics coming. Here's what a normal toe on my foot looks like. Here's what I did to it. And here's the aftermath. Ow. Owie. We're walking around on a boot. She's hobbling. RawBeautyKristi. Hello. So today I thought I would do a video that I've seen going around. TikTok is where I've seen it because that's where the filter is. But I am going to be doing something that I have wanted to try on myself since I've seen people going about it. And that is testing out these preset TikTok filters to see if they are in fact better at mapping out my makeup. So essentially they are these like lines and mapping out where your makeup should go, like contour, and then there's also an eyebrow one. I'm gonna try to do one side of my face the way that I normally would, and then I'm gonna do the other in the way that the filter suggests and see what the difference is. See if it looks better. See which side you prefer. And we're just gonna have at it. So let's go. So I'm gonna open my TikTok. Saved it in my filters. Oh, let's see here. What tutor effects? Is there a saved? Yeah, right there. There she bellows. Okay, so as you can see, here's the cheek contour one. It's quite a bit higher than I would naturally do. So I'm gonna take, I think for this, I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario. So while this maps out my face, I'm gonna use the contour you see where they suggest that it goes in the blue right there. And I'm going to put it on. So this is the Makeup by Mario Light Medium, and this is the Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick. And I'm going to just put it, I'm gonna do the right side of my face with the filter. It's really high. That's like where I would highlight, I feel. Okay, I feel like I got that pretty good on. And then this side, I would typically go like right here. That's where I would, it's quite a bit lower. So I'm gonna blend them out and see what the difference is. All right, that's really high. Let's see if it actually does raise these cheekbones. Mama could use any kind of cheekbone help she can get. Look in a mirror. Okay, I feel like it's a little high. This is so bright. It's like fucking me in the ass. Okay, let's try to blend out this side now. This is where like my actual cheekbone is, I feel. Okay, so far I'm liking the non-TikTok side better. I feel, off first go, that this is just a little high. Do you guys agree? I don't know. I feel like this just looks so nice on this side. This just looks a little like blushish. We're gonna keep going with it. I might do a little bit more because I feel like, I don't know, like it doesn't really show as much. Let me try to blend it really nicely. I'm not wearing any concealer yet. So I'm feeling off of first go, I like this side way better. It looks like the actual cheekbone. I don't know, what do you guys think? This is the higher side. This is my side. TikTok, do you know what the fuck you're doing? Because I don't think you do. Honestly, this part, if you look at the filter, that's kind of where I put my contour, and that's better for me, I think. What do you guys think? Let's see if it lifts it more. I'm gonna put on some concealer now. Okay, let's put on a little concealer. Sponge. Maybe I'll just use a dirty sponge. I feel like this side, because the contour is so high, this concealer just starts going into it. It looks bizarre, you know? Like it's just too high. Does it look better? I don't know. Sometimes these things are just, you know, fire straight from the pit of hell. What do you think? We're gonna move on to brows, okay? Let's see what TikTok thinks I should do my eyebrows like. Okay. So I'm gonna take, let's see here. This is the brow product that I've been using. Come on. Medium brown. Brow what is it? ColourPop Feather Effect Brow Pen. So this is what I've been using. So we're gonna start, okay, I'm gonna get my face centered on. I'm gonna put a dot here, dot here. Wait, yeah, and then a dot here. That's what it, no. Here, no. Here, let me just put it here, here, and here. What kind of big ass eyebrow do they think I should have? Okay. So that's the size of eyebrow that this filter says I should have. I'm gonna do my other one the way that I do it as a human. So we'll see. So what I tend to do is just sort of take the tail out a little bit, fill it in a bit, extend the front a tad, not a ton, not a ton, and then I sort of flick up. I'll do this same style of brow, but on the other side size-wise, and I don't have faith. I don't have a lot of faith, but sometimes you can surprise me. So that shape is not too great. This is what I do. I sort of like flick it up, create the brow on this side, and then I take my like brush and sort of soften it. This is what I tend to do. That's like a typical brow, what I would do. Is it perfect? Yes. No, it's really not. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit because I got a little messy with this little under part. But other than that, that's kind of it. So that's kind of my normal brow. What do you think? I don't really wanna know if I'm honest. Let's do what TikTok thinks that I should look like. Look how long. So I'm gonna connect these. That's my new tail and arch. What the? Have you ever seen a face TikTok? Every single one of these I've seen, the person makes it look absolutely incredible at the end. They're like, oh my God, TikTok. She's giving brows. Like, no. She's giving Kristi circa 2015. She's giving maniacal. I'm gonna try to make these look good, by the way. I'm not trying to make them look like shit. It's just the size, the sheer size alone. How do I look? Like raw beauty? Pure raw beauty. Sheesh. TikTok. I have a bone to pick. What? Alright, let's try to clean this bitch up. Hi, darling. Hi! How was your nap? Boy did good?
Eyebrows are looking
Do you like it?
wicked.
Do I look pretty?
You look very, very...
Maniacal.
Yeah. You look
Evil.
like a villain. Only like half though.
Yeah, this side's my normal side.
Yeah.
This side's my TikTok side. TikTok thinks I should look like this.
You're just copying the filter?
It's a filter saying where you should put your eyebrows for maximum beauty. Jeez. You know who I kind of look exactly like? The Shrek bartender lady? I'm gonna clean this up to make it look like a little less fake. Like I want it to look a little more like browish, you know? Maybe I'll also like brush my brows up with some brow gel. What do you think? Maybe I can do a little, maybe I'm wrong here. Maybe this isn't where it told me to put the filter, let's see. No, it's exact. Actually, the tail, they want a little higher. This part, they want a little higher. A little higher. To start here. Okay, let's start doing with the filter on. And then they want the arched end here. Pretty. Just looking more and more evil as time goes on. That's where it wants me. Maybe it's model-esque, I don't know. Maybe I'm just a hater. Basically, take everything about my actual eyebrow, change it, take everything about my face, lift it. Think that's what your face looks like? Hate it. Hell yeah, brother. Eyeshadow time. And I'm just gonna do a light shadow, kind of winged and smoky. I will be right back and we're gonna see which side looks better because honestly, TikTok kind of is crushing it. We'll be right back. Okay, my friends. Oh, baby's crying. He's got a little separation anxiety and Daddy walked into the other room to throw something away in the trash. So, how dare you leave me? You've abandoned me. Here's the finished look. Okay, my friends. What do we think? Raw Beauty Kristi, raw TikTok Kristi. All right, let's see if I got it right. I'm gonna say I'm close. I think I am. My brow's way different. Let's see the cheekbones. Very different. Okay, so in all honesty, now that the brow is done, now that it is feathery, now that it is set, now that the rest of the makeup is on, what do you think? I actually think it doesn't look that bad. I don't know if this side is more lifted. Like, I definitely think this side has like a sadness about it. This side has a fierceness about it. This side's kind of like Little House on the Prairie. This side's a little like Little Housewives of Beverly Hills. What do you think? So I think I could kind of meet in the middle somewhere. I think that my natural brow may be a little too unfierce and the TikTok side might be a little too much. I think it's a little long, but I do kind of like the thickness and ferocity of this brow. I kind of think I look like a bad bitch on this side. This side, I kind of just look like a sad bitch. I don't know. What do you think? I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'd love to know. This side, cheekbone-wise, I thought I would hate it. I kind of don't hate it. I don't know. Let's put a little blush on and we'll do the blush higher and I'll do the blush on this side the way that I normally would and the blush on this side the way that TikTok probably would want me to do it. So yeah, I really like this one. This is the Makeup by Mario Desert Rose. So we're gonna take this guy on a little brush and do a little blush. So I'm gonna assume that on this side, they'd want it real high. Right at that contour. I'm gonna say that's where it goes. This side, I'm gonna go about right here. If I was doing my natural blush. I usually take it a little bit on my apples and my cheeks. Like that.
And here's where my camera cut out, the audio. My battery died right at this moment on the microphone. So the video finishes, but my audio doesn't. So hi, and editing Kristi hair looking really good. Thought I would let you guys know that's the end of the video. Sorry. The end was me saying, what do you guys think? What do you prefer? I actually think I could take a little bit of the incorporation of both sides. I think maybe like a nice compromise and quality content here on the youtube.com. So I hope you guys liked this video and that it was somewhat interesting to watch. I saw that there's a bunch of other filters as well, like TikTok Fully Do My Makeup. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. I've seen people doing it on Instagram and TikTok. And I don't know, am I too much of a boomer? You guys can let me know. All right, well, I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was fun to watch. And I'm so sorry that the end is like this. I'm about to go plant flowers.